finished watching a puppet show. These people are all eating. Squatting around is normal. Nighttime in Hanoi, old quarters. Pumping, man, everything's like so busy. Buncha. Look how they eat. Okay, you want to worry about how clean it is? This is where they clean stuff. That's how they wash the dishes. You get foot massage, 150K. That's about $8 Canadian. Body massage, 200K, which is about, I don't know, $10 Canadian, $7 US. Here we're at the famous landmark corner with Aldo and KFC. Today's Friday, so there should be a night market again. Meow. Mango. Which side do you want to go on? Hello. Here we are going to the night market. Let me give you some ideas of what there is and how much they cost. I won't bargain, but I'll tell you the prices. Here's the various shirts you can get. What the full, whatever. Should be about 80 or 90. Dip further down. Elephant pants 50, 60? No, it should only be 50, 60, 70. One size. Here's some not as good hats. They usually are about 50. If they're embroidered, you might pay 80. You're looking at sunglasses for 50. It's like a couple bucks US. Looking at 50K glasses. I don't think they'll be polarized for that price. Wow, you can even get Gucci. You got these flowerful scrunchies for 25, 10. That's $1. We saw it for 50 somewhere else. Here you get some shirts, pants for 50, shorts for 80, other things for 100. Here they got some fake Patagonia, but you can get it for 80. If you're good, 80. If you're not too bad, you get 90 for sure. 80 to 90, you can get it. We've seen people charge 160 for it or ask for it. See if the price is here. I would advise buy the place at the places that have prices listed, and you can still knock down a few more bucks. We came here last time, and the ones with engraved like that cost more, about 190. This guy was not very nice last time.